Thanks for tuning in. We're live from Las Vegas, celebrating 10 years of reInvent. Rudy did some exploring at the AWS booth. Here's a little bit of his adventure from yesterday.
Hey, I'm Rudy Chetty, and we're gonna check out the fantastic demos at the AWS booth. Let's go check it out. We got a cool little whiteboard over here that we can draw on. We're gonna draw some cool stuff. Containers, security and compliance. You're welcome. AWS Training Insert, I report up to these fine folks. I have to give them props to their booth. Vote for your favorite modality. Ion traps. Traps? Oh no, it's a trap. Oh, it's an outpost. Oh, and it's open. I think we've reconfigured it properly now. I'm here with Bianca. Bianca, what do you do for AWS?
Hi, I'm a principal hardware engineer in AWS. I've been at Amazon for almost 8 years, actually.
Wow,
time flies.
Time flies when you're having fun, right?
Yep, I've been having a lot of fun. So I've been the lead engineer for various cool hardware designs, cool innovations for our customers, such as the computer vision for the original Amazon Go store, the AWS P2 and P3 instances, GPU instances, the first Graviton instance, the Snow products, and Outpost.
Outpost,
Lots of cool stuff.
That's what we're here to talk about. Can you tell me, what's your goals for reInvent?
So my goal for reInvent is to be able to talk to as many customers as possible, meet them, really understand their problems that they're trying to solve.
I know that.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's the customer obsession that we all have.
Yeah, we want to make sure we innovate on behalf of our customers.
Okay, and what's your highlights from this year?
So the highlights are just all of the really cool innovations, all of the cool things that we've done on behalf of our customers. We have a lot of things launching at reInvent. Some of them I can't talk about quite yet today, but you'll find out more on Thursday. I'll be speaking in a breakout session on Thursday from 1 to 2 CMP 311. Come by there. I'll be talking about some new products, which I can talk about now. So.
Lovely. I hope our attendees come down to your talk. And is there anything else you want to say to our virtual attendees?
Yes. Hello, and please check out as many sessions as possible. Watch out the live keynotes. We have a ton of great content out there, so check it out.
Awesome. And come check out the AWS Outpost booth.
Yes, please do that. We're going to have some cool demos for the past few days, and check out all the Outpost talks also.
Okay, great to hear. Thanks for joining us, Bianca.
Thank you.
So we're going to talk demos now with Daniel. Daniel, what do you do at AWS?
I'm a Cloud Endure Solutions architect, focused strictly on the disaster recovery side of the tool.
Okay, and what do you have lined up for us today?
So today we have a demo. So we have a gamified simulation that shows how you set up the Cloud Endure tool, walking through it. I'll just be showing the installation up to the installation point, but there's also configuration, cutover, etc. All of that is shown in the simulation.
Okay. Are we going to kick it off right now?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. All right, so what you're looking at here is the Cloud Endure Disaster Recovery Simulation. So it's basically our gamified way of learning the Cloud Endure Disaster Recovery tool. And it's gamified, as you can see here on the side, we've got a leaderboard of everybody who's gone through the simulation the quickest. You also see it's got some badges on the side. You get different badges for accuracy, for speed, for not requiring hints, and so forth. And so just to give you a brief introduction to it, we'll go ahead and start it off here. And this is just before you get started, what every section means.
Okay.
So on the right here, you're going to have a couple things. So obviously your timer starts. You've got your timer in the right corner. That's going to let you know obviously how long it's been taking, what task you're currently on. So in this case, we're being told we want to create a project, as we're all project-based. And in the bottom, you've got your hint section. So if you need some help, get stuck, you can click get to hint. It does add 5 seconds to your time though, so if you're really trying to go for high score, you want to stay away from those as quickly as possible, for as much as possible.
Okay, less hints, higher score.
Yep, so we've got our chime message that says, okay, let's go ahead and set up our projects. So we can do that here by clicking the plus button, go into our project. Create project. And then Taylor here's going to tell us again what we need to do. We need to add in our Cloud Endure access key and ID. These are all fake, so don't worry about saving those. They're not going to do any good.
Okay.
Then we'll choose which region that we're going to be doing DR from. In our particular instance, we're going to do other infrastructure because we're going to be doing on-premise into AWS, the US West Oregon. Save that. And then we'll configure our replication settings. So again, the ones that I'm going to show here are the main ones that you want to take a look at, which are make sure you're on the right subnet.
Okay.
Make sure that you're using a VPN or direct connect.
Makes sense.
And of course, enabling encryption to make sure that we're following all of AWS best practices.
Security is always a top priority.
Exactly. So we'll save those. And then the next step is to do our agent installation. This is a bit gamified. Obviously, you'll be installing the agent yourself.
Sure.
But this just tells you everything that we're going to be doing when you actually do the install. Kind of walks you through each step and what that takes. And so that's just the install portion. Now again, this is going to be, there's going to be a configuration portion as well as a cutover, failover side of things. So if you want to come down and take a look at it, we've got all our laptops set up here. You can see what the whole simulation looks like, see if you can get a good high score. But overall, what it's meant really to do is help IT specialists really learn the tool in a different way. For me personally, I don't like reading something that takes me multiple times. I get distracted. I got kids that come in and and so this way I can get hands-on with it, and it helps really compact the hours it takes to learn the tool down into just 10 minutes.
Okay, well there you have it, folks. A demo from Daniel from the Application Migration Service and Disaster Recovery. Cloud Endure, we look forward to it. Any other highlights you want to throw to our viewers?
I know I'm looking forward to some of the ransomware talks.
Okay.
It's a big conversation piece, especially in disaster recovery. So really looking forward to seeing what they've got for us this year on that.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us, Daniel.
Yep, thank you. Appreciate it.
Cheers, folks. Cool. Let's check out more of these booths. I think we should go to the database booth. Hey, Elizabeth, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Can you tell our viewers what you do for AWS?
Yeah, I'm a product marketing manager for AWS databases, so I'm here at the databases booth setting up today.
Okay, and what specifically do you have in mind for our eager attendees?
Well, we have 15 plus databases here at AWS, and so we have lots of experts coming in and out of the booth to talk about each one. So as people have questions or want to learn about our services like Aurora or DynamoDB, they can come by and talk to our experts and pick up stickers. But what we're also doing this year is hosting a scavenger hunt for our attendees. And participants who partake in the scavenger hunt can win an exclusive databases sticker sheet and then also a sweatshirt, which we're premiering for the first time here at reInvent. I have it if you want to see it.
Yes, please.
So this is our database swag this year, and if you're part of our scavenger hunt, you can come by and pick up a sweatshirt.
So what size is that hoodie?
This one's a large.
Oh, thank you so much. You're so kind.
Oh, yeah.
But you said so many databases we have nowadays. It's like, look at the stickers here.
Yeah, so we have 10 of our services represented here. If you're interested in our relational databases, we have RDS and Aurora, or some of our newer or more emerging technologies. MemoryDB for Redis is here, and Amazon Neptune, which is our graph database. Or if you just love databases in general, there's a databases category sticker too, where you can have a little tiny picture of each database on there. So it's fine, kind of whatever you like, we've got it over here.
That's awesome to hear. There's a database for everyone, we should say, right?
The right tool for the right job is what we like to say.
There you go, folks, straight from Elizabeth's mouth. And can you also tell me more about these demos, or is it going to happen with different experts?
Yeah, so each of our experts that stop by are going to have their own expertise for each database. So they'll have their own demo for every database that we have. So if you're interested in learning or stopping by, we'll have a schedule put out so that you can come and plan when you want to see which database and learn from each of those experts.
Okay, that's good to know. So different demos at different times, folks. So please come on down. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. And good luck with the rest of the conference.
Yeah, thank you so much for stopping by.
Whew, that was some cool demos we checked out. I urge you to come and check them out yourselves if you're here at reInvent. But all good things have to come to an end, so let's check what Melissa's up to.
Thanks for taking us along, Rudy. Seems like you're everywhere these days. I'm Melissa Paranchero. You're watching Live from reInvent.